Chinese dramas on Chinese Republican era.
Number 9. Drama.
During the Republican era, a family empire famous for making the best fragrances and incense must guard against those who are out to steal their secret recipes. Ji Yan is the sweet young master of his family's fragrance empire. Li Yan is a determined young woman who is out for revenge against the Ning family. Yuan falls in love with Li Yan, but she only wants to infiltrate Yuan's family.
Number 8. Drama.
Jiang Shu is in the business of buying haunted houses and selling them. He crosses paths with Qin Yiheng, a psychologist searching for his father, and Yuan Muqing, who is the daughter of a warlord. Together they partner up to fight against mysterious forces. Jiang Shu suffers from amnesia but is well versed in the affairs of the occult. Yiheng receives a letter that contains countdown to Jiang Shu's time of death.
Number 7. Drama.
Set in the Republican era in Shanghai in the 1930s, an intriguing crime case emerges amidst the bustling city. A beautiful new graduate of police academy, Xiao Man, joins the investigation unit. Famous detective Luo Fei becomes her colleague and neighbor. Together they solve case after case, with the growing conspiracy appearing.
Number 6. Drama.
During the Republican era, Shen Jiheng, a famous vampire who lived for over a century, was almost assassinated by a group of corrupt soldiers and was saved by a blind girl named Milan and his best friend Shitu Weilian. Knowing Milan's home situation was abusive, the lonely vampire started paying more attention and taking care of her.
Number 5. Drama.
Set in the Shanghai shores at the beginning of the 20th century, where warlords begin to seize their powers, many heroes emerge and revolutionary movements begin to rise. Making use of their wealth, the influential Rong family often abuse their powers to commit various heinous crimes. It is adapted from the novel City of Streamer by Mi Bao.
Number 4. Drama.
Lan Yanji is a privileged banker's daughter. She is a genius and has excellent observation and analytical skills along with a very sharp memory. She is not an average person and possesses qualities to become an excellent spy. She mistakenly comes into possession of a letter from Japanese army, and this is how her journey as a spy begins.
Number 3. Drama.
9 powerful families, referred to as the Old Nine Gates or the Mystic Nine Clan, guard the town of Changsha during the era of the Republic. Qi Shan, who is the leader of Nine Gates, investigates a mysterious train that ends up at the Changsha station that leads to an equally mysterious mine. In order to solve the mystery, he entrusts the help of his partners, who is an opera singer from
Number 2. Drama.
Government drafts young male conscripts to defend the besieged northeast of the country, but a woman named Xiang also wants in on the action. She decides to cut her hair short and assume her brother's identity in a bid to join the Chinese army. Xiang quickly proves herself more than capable in soldiery and soon wins herself a place in an elite military academy in Shanghai.
Number 1. Drama.
Battle of Changsha retells the turbulent events of the Second Sino-Japanese War from the perspective of the Hu family, particularly through the eyes of a 16-year-old girl named Xiang Xiang and her twin brother Xiao Man. Qingming is a strict intelligence officer in the Nationalist Army and the only son of a prominent political family who, against his family's wishes, longs to join the war front lines.
Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this.